Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on how to use Spocket Dropshipping. This will allow you to easily find US and EU based suppliers and add dropship products to your Shopify store. But for those who are unfamiliar with Spocket, Spocket is a platform that enables dropshippers to source high quality products with fast shipping from suppliers that are based in the States and Europe. It provides you with some key features and benefits such as super fast from US to EU suppliers, products arrive in 1 to 3 days typically, and the products are pre-vetted for quality to avoid low quality junk. You will have a simple Umbrella-like integration to import products into your Shopify store. The inventory and pricing syncs automatically, and you'll have support for single product fulfillment, no minimum order quantities. So for US or EU-based Shopify stores, Spocket is a top choice to find reliable American and European suppliers with quick delivery times. So let's go over how to connect Spocket to your Shopify store. Connecting Spocket to Shopify only takes a few minutes. Here are the simple steps. First, you need to make sure that you have a Shopify store created at shopify.com. You'll need your store URL. Next, you'll need to sign up for a free Spocket account at spocket.co. Just enter your email to get started. And in there, you want to click on the Shop tab and then select Shopify. Enter your full Shopify store URL when prompted and click on Connect. After that, you'll be redirected to the Shopify approval screen. Click Approve to install the application. And that's it, Spocket will now be successfully integrated into your store. You can also optionally browse and install Spocket directly from the Shopify App Store, but the above steps make it more simple. Now let's go over finding profitable products to dropship. A key benefit of Spocket is gaining easy access to thousands of proven products ready to be dropshipped. Here are some tips for finding items that will sell well in your store. You can filter the items and sort them by low to high price, high reviews, recent edition, etc. This surfaces the hidden gems. You also want to filter by ships from USA or Europe to ensure quick delivery. Refine by specific niches using the categories which are fitness, home, beauty, pets and all that. Just select a narrow focus. After that, you want to scan listings for attractive product photos and descriptions. Ensure that they are high quality. Never forget to check the supplier rating, aim for 4 stars and up, and then pick items priced between $20 to $60 range for the best profit margins typically. And lastly, you want to verify delivery times are under 5 days. This is key for impatient buyers. The goal is finding trendy but affordable products in your niche that deliver fast for EU or USA. Spocket makes this search process very easy and seamless. Once you locate your potential products on Spocket, it's time to import them into your store. And to do that, while browsing products, click the import button to add an item to your import list. Do this for multiple products that you want to test. And then visit the import list section in Spocket to view and manage products queued to be added. In Shopify, go to Apps and then Spocket to open the importer, and then click Import Products to pull them into your Shopify store. The products will then be created instantly, and now you can customize and publish them. Be sure to add new products frequently to expand your shop's offerings over time. It will only take a few seconds each time. When adding products to your Shopify store through Spocket, follow these tips to create compelling listings. You want to write engaging product titles using keywords such as hot, trending, etc. Titles impact clicks. And when you create persuasive descriptions highlighting the features or benefits and get value, this will get shoppers excited about ordering. Always set reasonable pricing, which allows healthy profit margins after Spocket supplier costs, and check the competitor prices, undercut them slightly. You can add policies like free returns to reduce friction and build buyer trust, and run promotions like discounts or free shipping for the first X amount of orders to drive the initial traction, which gets sales momentum going. Each listing should sell the product and make the case for why it's superior to competitors and worth buying. This will absolutely maximize your conversions and the sales. And the key to passive income with dropshipping is diversifying your product catalog over the long run. So don't forget to continuously test new potential products every single week. Not all will be winners, but some will stick. And avoid saturating a single niche, branch out into complementary categories over time, and then take inspiration from other successful Shopify stores and trending sites such as Etsy. By actively managing your virtual inventory, you fuel steady shop growth and sales through variety. A diverse catalog attracts more buyer types. And that will be all for the walkthrough introduction on using Spocket for all of your dropshipping needs with Shopify. I hope that this video has clearly explained how Spocket can help you. As mentioned, you can easily find US and EU suppliers, quickly import products into your Shopify store, and create high converting product listings. Overall, Spocket is the best platform for sourcing great products from American and European suppliers to maximize delivery speed and build customer trust. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create similar to this one.